Hello, this is Benita from Enterprise System Class Q, and in this video I would like to explain about my answer regarding the case study given about the production planning module. For this case study, I will take an example from a compact disc manufacturer, which is actually a virtual company, and the company's name is NeoDisc. They produce two kind of product, which are compact disc and album packaging. And the material or components that will be needed for manufacturing a compact disc are polycarbonate plastic, adhesive, aluminum coating, nickel sulfamate, acrylic plastic coating, metal, photoresist, and acrylic paint. And now the manufacturing process of making a compact disc are mastering, electroforming, and replication. Those are actually the main process, but within this main process there are a specific routine for the manufacturing. You just accept a sales order from Capitol Record, which is a music recording company. So an artist from Capitol Record are going to release an album. They order 500 pieces of compact disc for their album, but unfortunately NeoDisc doesn't produce adhesive, so we have to order it from Citystic Ltd, and we already have an outline agreement with Citystic Ltd, which is a contract. Answering to the question number 1, so NeoDisc is a make-to-order company, and the sales number will be based on customer demand. Like for example, Capitol Record made a sales order of 500 compact discs and they want it to be finished on August 2020. We are definitely using PP module for our production plan, and the apps that will be used on the entire production plan process are change material, change routing, display stock, and create sales and operation plan, transfer SOP to demand management, display PIRS, schedule MRP run, monitor stock, post goods movement, display production order, enter product confirmation, and actual settlement. These apps will be used to support our production process from the planning, procurement, and production. But I will explain the detailed process on the next question. Answering to the question number 2, the process occurs in the entire sales order processing. Or first, we accept the order, and within this process there are other steps that will be explained in other question, because this process is defined and operated with sales and distribution module. Then we set the forecasting based on the sales order, since this company is doing make to order. Then we create the sales and operation plan according to the forecasting, and the form of production plan in this stage is aggregated into a product form, which is a compact disc. Now we create the disaggregated version from the SOP with demand management. We break down the plan according to each material components of compact disc. These steps from forecasting into the demand management is actually optional. We use it because for this period we may not only accept a sales order from Capitol Record, We also accept another customer demand. So we should also make the forecasting, the SOP, and the demand program. And now, with PP module, we proceed the MPS and MRP in parallel with schedule MRP run app. We set the scheduling based on the time we have to manufacture the product from June to July. Then, to do the manufacturing, we need to purchase materials that aren't available in the company storage. So we make a purchase requisition to the purchasing staff, and the rest of procurement process will be carried out in the material management module. And while requesting a purchase, we transform the planned order from the MRP into the production order. Once we receive the material sent by Citistic Ltd, we store it in our raw material storage, and then we have to make sure that all of the material or components is available in storage. After that, we transfer all the components from the storage into our work center. Then we manufacture the products within 2 months and the schedule is referring to the schedule produced from the MPS. And once the production is completed, we confirm it and store the finished product into the finished product storage. Now the delivery of finished products to customer is managed by the shipping staff in the sales and distribution module. The costs that were made during the whole process of manufacturing will be managed by controlling staff. All of the financial reporting regarding the manufacturing, like labor costs, machinery costs, etc., will be checked. Answering for the question number 3, as mentioned on the previous explanation of number 2, NeoDis will also use SD and MM modules. Now for the question number 4, since the manufacturing triggered by the sales acceptance, we need SD module to manage the sales order and the payment from customer. Other than that, we also need to deliver the finished products to capital record in a big amount. So the shipping and delivering process also need to be managed, and the right things to do is also using the SD module. In order to do the manufacturing process, we need to procure materials needed in the product that are already written in bill of material. Few materials are always available in the raw material storage, so the production staff need to purchase them. The purchasing is managed by MM module, including the internal procurement and payment. Please note that the sourcing of each components may be different, so the process will be referring with this type of sourcing. That's all from me. Thank you for watching the video.